Yeah, me too. Between keeping track of your check-in, savings, investments, it's a financial circus act. That's why I got y'all hooked up with the Snoop Dogg app, the one-stop shop for all things money management. But hold up, you might be wondering, Snoop, what banks does this bad boy even work with? Well, buckle up 'cause Dog's got the info you need. See, the Snoop Dogg app ain't about being picky. We got a whole network of financial institutions ready to serve you, kinda like a buffet for your bread. We talkin' major players in the game, the OGs of banking. The big bosses, the usual suspects. First up, we got the household names. You know 'em, you love 'em, Barclays, HSBC, Lloyds. These guys are the cornerstones of British banking, and the Snoop Dogg app connects with them seamlessly. Just imagine seeing all your accounts from these giants in one place, organized like a West Coast rhyme scheme. Beyond the big names, branching out. But the Snoop Dogg app ain't afraid to break the mold. We got love for all the financial fam, including the likes of NatWest, RBS, Monzo, and Nationwide. These folks might not be the old guard, but they're bringing the heat with innovative services and tech. With the Snoop Dogg app, you can keep an eye on all of them, see where your money's flowing like a smooth rap verse. Spread the love, credit card crew. And let's not forget the plastic fantastic, credit cards. The Snoop Dogg app goes beyond bank accounts, because let's be real, swiping that plastic is a part of the modern financial game. We're talking connecting with big players like Barclaycard and MBNA, all the way to store cards like MNS Bank. Track your purchases, manage your credit score, all within the Snoop Dogg app. It's like having your own financial advisor whispering wisdom in your ear. Keeping it fresh, new additions to the fam. Now, the Snoop Dogg app ain't about getting dusty. We constantly on the lookout for new partners to expand our network, making sure you got access to all the latest financial tools. Just recently, we added Chase to the fam, bringing even more options to the table. It's like a new track dropping on your favorite album, keeps things exciting. Coming soon, the future of finance. And the party don't stop there. We got our eyes peeled for even more banks and financial institutions to join the Snoop Dogg fam. We talking Coop, Smile, Triodos Bank, Wise, you name it, we're working on it. The Snoop Dogg app is all about building a financial ecosystem that works for you, something revolutionary for the whole game. So there you have it, folks, the Snoop app ain't short on partners. We got banks, credit card companies, the whole financial crew on deck, ready to help you manage your money like a boss. Stop juggling those accounts, get organized, and let the Snoop Dogg app do the work. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep it smooth.